With this course, you'll become an expert in strategic business analytics. As we'll explain later, we'll help you develop 4 sets of skills needed to leverage value from data: analytics, IT, business, and communication. We'll discuss a wide variety of examples from the business world, different functions such as marketing or supply chain, and different sectors such as the telecommunications sector, the retail sector, the public sector, and so on. In order to analyze the related data rigorously, we'll present different techniques used in strategic business analytics, how to find groups of similar and dissimilar observations, how to find relationships between causes and consequences, how to make forecasts, and how to make all those techniques relevant for your business. Actually, we'll pay a special attention to the business aspect of those questions. What's the actual problem we want to solve? And how can we make our conclusions really convincing, actionable, and efficient? At the end of each module, there will be a recital of the different techniques used for helping you to wrap up the tools and techniques presented during this module. There will be then a quiz to complete it. For the last module, we'll require you to produce a business-level output of your analysis that will be evaluated by the other participants.